Good morning, guys. Kamusta ka mo, guys? Okay. I'm going to ask Bibi Solen parts of kangaroo. Alright. Where is the hand of kangaroo? Where's the hand? Ang hand. Very good. How about ang nose? Nose. Ang eyes. Very good. Ang ears. Ang ears. Very good. Ang neck. Ang neck. Ay, arda. Very good ba? Ang legs. Ang legs ni kangaroo. Where's the legs? Ang tiil bala. Ang tiil ni kangaroo. Very good. Ang tail. Ang ikog. Ang ikog. Very good. Yay! Clap hands na natin.